Oh, come on. You think me getting naked, so if I just took off my clothes and said take some pictures with me, that would be as easy as building that building?
No, it's different, obviously, but I do think that both of them have difficulties.
No, but equal.
No such thing as equal.
Which one's harder?
I won't pick one.
Taking off clothes? Oh, come on. You know.
You don't. If you just take out your clothes, you're not going to make the money that a guy is going to do.
Women make $1 million a month on OnlyFans.
Yeah.
And you think that's
Go
more
for
important than the men who are building these roads, these
No, I'm not
structures?
saying that.
So
I
what are
just
you saying?
I'm not saying it's more important. I say that it has the same value.
How does
If
it have
you
the
wanna
same
do
value
that.
if it's not as important?